Tyler with Aloha RV North in Bernalillo, New Mexico. Behind me I got a Rockwood Geo Pro that we're going to do a little rundown on. It's a 2020 that we just got in stock. This is a really nice trailer, so we'll start at the front. So we get these all equipped with the 20-pound propane tanks. We got dual batteries. We also include the deep cycle interstate batteries with this unit. We get them installed with the electric tongue jack. It makes it super easy. You're not over here cranking it. It has a manual setting if you needed to, but definitely a lot easier with this. It comes with a bike rack, so you can load your bikes up on this. It has docking lights, so if you're docking at night, it has a nice LED strip. Runs off the battery. So we'll go to the front. This is a 6-side aluminum frame trailer, meaning the roof, the floor, the front wall, the back wall, and all the side walls are all aluminum frame. So if you look under here, this is underneath the bed. So everything you sleep on, walk on, or stand on, you're going to be aluminum framed and welded. It is solar prepped, so you can buy a solar panel and plug it into it. But the great thing with Aloha is we actually order them with the solar panel already on the roof. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep your batteries charged if you're dry camping. So, but you could definitely add another one if you wanted to. This awning is electric. It all works off of the panel on the inside. You just push a button and it retracts. Another cool thing is it actually tilts. So if it's raining, you can have the water all fall off to one side. It's not going to pool. So that's kind of nice. You can just adjust it down, tighten it up, put it to whatever angle you want. Pretty simple. All of the Rockwood Geo Pros come with a griddle, which is nice. It just kind of latches on there. It has a quick propane connection down here that will run off the front, so that's pretty nice. This trailer does have a lift and 15-inch tires. So this trailer is specifically designed for people that want to go off-road. This also has Torflex axles. So instead of leaf spring, the axles move independently. So that's going to make it a lot smoother on the freeway, or if you're going off-road, it's just going to absorb the shock a lot better. We got frameless windows on all the Rockwoods and the Geo Pros. So you don't have the plastic that is kind of surrounding it, framing it out. The nice thing about that is, obviously in New Mexico, it's hot, it's dry, so over time that's going to crack. With this, it's just one piece of glass, no frame. So that's pretty nice. Another nice feature with the Geo Pros is the keyless entry. So all of these have the keyless entry. The nice thing about that is that if you want to go for a hike and you don't want to take your keys and worry about losing them, leave your keys in there, you get your own code, and then you'll be able to go in and out with the keyless entry and not have to worry about losing your keys. It has a nice friction door, so the wind isn't going to slam it against the trailer. It kind of has a little friction. You won't go back and forth with the wind as much. These stairs are a lot sturdier and stable than most trailers, so they just fall straight onto the ground. When you're not using them or you're driving, you just fold them right in. You could adjust them to whatever level you're on. Let's see. Nice LED strip along the awning. It's going to brighten the whole area up if you're in an area where there's no lighting or anything like that. It's definitely bright. This is just going to be your outdoor speaker, marine grade, waterproof. So this is what's nice about the aluminum framing. It has a ladder on the back, so you can actually get on the roof. It holds 300 pounds per square foot. So, I mean, if you need to get up there and inspect it throughout the year, you're able to do that pretty easily. The roof is TPO commercial grade rubber that is on the roof. It is warranted for 12 years. It's pretty nice. This is an amazing feature about Rockwood Geo Pros is instead of, when you usually have to clean out your toilet, you have to take a hose, drag it through the trailer, put it in the toilet and flush it. With the Geo Pro, you just hook the hose right up to the side of this, and then there's jets in the tank that will flush it for you. Super easy to clean, low maintenance, makes it a lot easier when you get back from a long camping trip. Outside shower, all Geo Pros come with those. Let's see where else. obviously just your other normal stuff, city water, satellite, things like that. Has a nice windshield in the front, so it's going to let a lot of natural light in. That's where the bed is, so it's nice. It makes it really bright inside. Now we'll go inside. So this is the control panel I was telling you about. This is where you'll operate anything, your slide, your awning. It'll even show you the readings that it has. So obviously fresh water's empty, all that stuff will be right there. You got your fridge, nice two-way fridge. Will run off the battery and propane. It'll automatically choose whatever's available first. Good size. You got your microwave. So this trailer is designed for people that want to, dry camp and not park at a KOA. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but it's designed for people that want to dry camp. The reason why is because this actually has a shower miser. So what that is when you're dry camping and you want to take a shower, you're sitting there waiting for the water to get hot. You're wasting it. With this, you just flip this switch up. When this plastic blue piece turns white, you know the water's hot. Flip it back down, and then the water will shoot out. So then you're conserving your fresh water, which is a really nice feature because it goes quick when you're camping. Has a max air vent, which is nice. So if you want to get some recycled air in here, make it nice and airy, you could have the windows open and then just have that on, and it'll suck air in and out depending on what you want. Has a nice sink, cabinets, mirror. Pretty much your standard stuff. Another nice thing about the roof is it's arched, so it just gives you a little more sense of height. It's not flat. The rain's going to flow off of it nicely. If you look right here, this is actually the TPO rubber that is on the roof, and this is the cutout of the roof. So it's all block foam, welded, and aluminum frame. So it's pretty hefty. And then this is the sidewall. It's actually an R7. So the cool thing about Rockwood Geo Pros is it's vacuum bonded. So most companies use a method called pinch and roll, where they just compress the walls together with glue. This, because it's vacuum bonded, all the air is sucked out of it. So you're not going to have air pockets or air trapped in there, and you're not going to have any delamination. So it's going to hold together a lot nicer. So that's kind of the outer walls. So this is a pretty light table. It just folds up. Whenever you're not using it, you can put it behind the couch. Three burners on the stove. You got a full oven, which is nice. It's a little bigger than most companies out there. Exhaust fan. So the great thing about the solar panel is obviously it's going to keep your batteries charged, but all Geo Pros actually come with an inverter. The inverter is going to be nice because you could actually run all your outlets. You can run your TV. You won't be able to run your AC obviously, but being able to use your outlets when you're dry camping is huge. And this is kind of your panel where you can see what your solar panel is doing. So that's super nice. It's huge. The TV, they all come with TVs, 12 volt TVs. So like I said, this trailer is designed for people that want to dry camp. You'll be able to use your TV when you're dry camping. It'll run off the battery. Has a Furrion Bluetooth radio, so your phone will hook up to it. And the cool thing is it has different zones. So if you want the inside to play or the outside, you can pick whichever one you want. It has a Wi-Fi ranger, so if you do go to a KOA, it'll boost the signal to the trailer. And then this is cool. So all Rockwoods and Geo Pros have heated mattresses. So all you do is plug this into the mattress. It has a little thermostat. You can adjust it to whatever heat you want. Kind of cool. What else do we got? The bed in this particular model, which I forgot to tell you, it's actually a 19 FBS, but it has a couch that folds down, so you can accommodate someone. If you brought someone along, you have a sleeping area. Got some nice shades if you want some privacy. spring loaded, inter-roll. And then all the lights, they're all LED. The nice thing is that you could turn each one off individually if you want. So you can kind of set the mood how you want. You don't have to have them all on at once. That's pretty much it with the trailer. It's built very well. We have quite a few different options. Geo Pros, we have bunk houses, non-bunks. Forest River products is what we carry here. We have Rockwood and Geo Pro, Clipper, Puma. So we have quite a few different options here. Like I said, this is Aloha RV North in Bernalillo, New Mexico. My name is Tyler. Feel free to stop by and ask for me.